A lot of young creators struggle with staying consistent here on YouTube. They have troubles uploading regularly and showing up for their channel the way they are supposed to. And one of the key ingredients in becoming successful here on YouTube is by being consistent. Yet, a lot of us lack this ability. So, in this video, I'm going to be sharing a few tips and strategy that you can use that will help you stay consistent and show up more for your channel. If you are new here, welcome. My name is Angela and I am the face behind this channel. And I'm always excited to bring you content that will help you along your content creation journey, especially here on YouTube. So let's dive right in. And don't forget to subscribe if you haven't, and turn on that notification bell so that next time I upload a video like this, you will be notified. So let's dive right into it. So what are the strategies that you can implement in your journey as a content creator to, grow faster here on YouTube? So number one on my list is simplifying your videos. Now, if you are starting up, you might want to really simplify your videos. Maybe instead of going for videos that are like 30 minutes long or 20 minutes long, you could break it down into making sure that your videos are, not too extravagant, especially when you are starting up. Because if you have ever tried editing a video, you will understand that this can take a lot of time and effort. Okay, so you might want to make sure that when you want to upload a video, or when you are creating your videos, like 10 minutes long video, 12 minutes long, 8 minutes long, okay? But I will not recommend you creating long form videos that are just 3 minutes long or 5 minutes long, because you have to understand that the longer your video, the more watch hours you are likely to gather. Okay, so when I talk about simplifying your videos, is more going into you are, making sure that the videos are not too long or not too short, and also avoiding using too many graphic and too many editing. But this doesn't mean that you should create videos that suck. Okay, your video should still be clear, bright, the sound should be in order, and also very presentable. But don't make it too complicated, like wanting to add background music, doing that and doing this. You want to like simplify your videos, especially when you are just starting up on YouTube. Later on, when you have reached a certain level, you can decide to upgrade the quality of your videos, upgrade anything that you want to upgrade. But in the initial stage, when you are starting up, it's important for you to start with the mentor that you can stay consistent with, at least for some time, until you see some level of growth on your channel. So number 2 on my list is creating content in batch. So what this means is you find a day to create videos. I will use myself as an example. For example, I have 2 days in a week where I make sure I dedicate an hour or 2 in creating videos for my content, right? So, but you have to stick to it, right? There is no point saying that I am going to be creating my content every Mondays, and then when Mondays come, you make excuses and you don't show up for it. You have to take your content creation journey as a job, as a business. Okay, you have to take it serious enough for you to show up for yourself. Because if you say you are dedicating a day of the week for your content and you don't take it seriously, then no one else is going to do that for you. So if you say, okay, I'm going to be creating content every Monday between this time and this time, I'll create at least 3-4 videos that will last me for 2 weeks or 3 weeks, or even for the whole month. It's depending on how many videos you upload in a week. Okay, so, and also another thing to understand about being consistent is not really going into you uploading videos every day or 2 times a day. But if that is what you choose to do, you have to make sure you are doing that on a regular. So if you are a creator that have decided that I am going to be uploading videos every day, so consistency comes in when you really show up every day. Okay, you have to stay consistent with that. But if you are someone that says, I'm going to be uploading once a week, you show up on that Tuesday once a week, you are doing it consistently. This will not only help the algorithm work better with your channel, it will also build a certain level of trust with your audience, because your content every Tuesday at 9 a.m. they will be showing up on your channel to see if you have uploaded. And if truly you have uploaded, that only, builds more trust between you and your audience. So every little thing that we decide to do when it comes to our channel plays a major role in our growth. Okay, so you have to create time to create videos in batch, record multiple videos at a time, and then maybe create another time where you just edit all the videos and upload it, and even schedule it. With the scheduling tool we have on YouTube, it makes things even a lot easier, because you can actually record videos and upload it already and schedule it even if you are posting it 2 weeks from now. So it really makes the work easier and also supports us in really staying consistent. Because if, for example, now I upload videos every Thursday at 8 p.m., okay, let's say on a Thursday I'll be busy, I will not be home. I won't even have access to my phone, maybe because I'm at work. But thanks to this scheduling tool, I will be able to already create that video, upload it by Monday, Tuesday, and schedule it. So while I'm away, once it's Thursday, 8 p.m., my video is going to be published on YouTube. So these are tools that we should be leveraging as a content creator, especially if you are a busy mom like myself, if you're a busy professional, or you are otherwise busy. So there's actually a way out to, to make this work, to stay consistent, to keep showing up for your channel. Okay. Then another thing I have on my list, which is number 3 on my list, is being flexible in terms of creating your videos. Okay, there is no law that said that you have to only create your videos at a corner in your home. Okay, so if you are someone who is always outside, or maybe you are in your car a lot, you drive a lot, you have access to other places, maybe during lunchtime at work, you happen to be in a nice sit out or something, you can also create videos there while you are away. Okay, it saves time. So these are ways that we can, kind of like plan ahead and figure out how we can make things work better for our channel, for our audience, and all of that. So you can be flexible, you can bring in flexibility into your content creation journey. It mustn't be that you have to be somewhere in your house, or you have to use a particular spot all the time. I'm also saying this to myself, and I hope to try this out someday anyway, right? So that's that. And also, even creating videos with different scenario might also contribute to you getting more views, and it might even build more audience retention, bringing that, different backgrounds, different atmosphere. It also contributes to the quality of your video, or performance of your video, in a positive way. So these are things we should all try and leverage. So if you are still watching up until this moment, I want to say thank you. And if you have not yet subscribed to my channel, what are you waiting for? Go ahead and hit that subscribe button, like, comment, and share this video so that other people can benefit from what we are learning here today. So the other thing I have on my list is, of course, you have to stay focused, right? Staying focused and, setting realistic goals can help you in staying consistent as a creator. Okay, so because there are a lot of distractions out there, you might just sit down now, you want to take your phone to make a recording, a phone call will just come in, maybe a friend is calling, and but you have to have that discipline to tell that friend, please, today is my content creation, today is my video recording day, I really don't have time, I wish I could talk to you much longer, but if you don't mind, let me call you back. You really have to be selfish and strict, yeah, when it comes to that time you have set out to create videos for your content upload. Okay, so basically that's that. So that's part of being focused, identifying distractions when they occur, and shutting them out completely to focus on the task or on the goal that you have set for yourself. Another way that you can set realistic goals is, I mentioned it earlier, like you can set goals for yourself and say, okay, every week I want to make sure that I have at least uploaded one long form video, I have gone live. If I have not gone live, or if I don't have the time to show up live, I'm going to restream a video. Okay, or you say, okay, I'm going to make sure that at least weekly I have uploaded one short, one long form video, and one live. Okay. So, and when you set those goals for yourself, you make sure you stay committed to it. One thing is to set goals, another thing is to take it seriously and really show up for those goals you have set for yourself. You have to understand that when it comes to creating content, this is something you are doing for yourself. Okay, whatever sweat you put in, whatever time you put in, whatever investment you put in, you are doing it for yourself. Unlike when you are working for someone else, you dedicate your time, you dedicate everything in you in building someone else's business, right? So, but why do we joke around when it comes to something that we are doing for ourselves? Why can we not use that same energy, dedication, determination, focus to, really pour it into our journey as creators and make it work? Okay, nobody says that we have to be perfect in any way, so we are learning. Okay, we are learning, you learn and you implement. Okay, but definitely one of the key ingredients that you need to succeed in any platform at all is consistency. Consistency is key in everything you do in life. Consistency is key, because for example, if you upload a video this month and then you disappear and you come back in another 3 months, I mean, nobody's going to take you seriously. Okay, but when your audience know that you are someone who really shows up when it's time for you to show up, they are going to build that trust. That connection is going to be there, and from there you are building a community, that will last for a lifetime. So I hope we were all able to pick one or two things from this video, and let me know in the comment section, what other strategies are you applying as a creator to stay consistent, to show up for your channel, for your audience? Share in the comment section, and also let us not forget to support each other. Do it the right way. Let's build genuine engagement. Like, comment, watch each other's video, drop good comments before you subscribe. Don't just go over to people's channel and subscribe, because those subscriptions don't count. So let's do it the right way. Engage with each other's content the right way. Genuinely support each other. This is the only way we can grow faster. Thank you for watching. That's all from me today. Don't forget to hit the subscribe button, and I will be back next time with another great video like this. Bye for now, and thank you for watching.